Hello guys, good morning everybody. This is Hanuman Naik and welcome to our channel Smart Study. In the last class we completed that up to 5 problems. Up to 10 problems. Sorry, up to 10 problems we are completed in the last session, and now today we will see that next question. That is 11th question we will see now. Now see that guys. The question 11th question is what question? What they are telling that the compound ratio of 21 is to 8 and triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3. See, did you understood the question here? They are asking that what first compound of what? Compound of 21 is to 8 and triplicate of this. So here before going to the problem, I will tell you one thing. When they are asking that about the compound ratio, when you how to find the compound ratio, guys? If their example A is to B, okay, I will use this. How to find the compound ratio means, yeah, see the formula. How to write the compound ratio, I will tell you that. In the compound ratio, for example, A is to B, double is to C is to D. If the question is like that, if the question is like this, A is to B and double is to C is to D, then how to find what is the compound of this? What is the compound of this means? How to write that? I will write in the next line. You will see that here. A into C, multiply A into C is to B into D. See guys, your simple job, your job is simple here. The job is, when you have to find the compound of A is to B, double is to C is to D, then just multiply that A into C multiply is to B into D, that is B into D. Right? This is the solution of your question. This is the solution of the question. So, but coming to our problem, there is some modification about this question. What is that modification? We will see that they are not asking direct compound of 21 is to 8 and 2 is to 3. They are asking that what? First do the triplicate of the 2 is to 3. They are asking that what? First do this triplicate of 2 is to 3. After that, compound of triplicate of this number and this number. That is, and we already knows that what is a triplicate. In the triplicate, ratio means is equal to, I already told to you, in if anything, A the power of 3, you have to write 3 is to B to the power of 3, right? Now here see that what in the ratios of what? 2 is to 3. The triplicate ratio of this is the what, guys? 2 to the power of 3 is to 3 to the power of 3, right? In the next step, I will write 2 cube is how much? 8, and 3 cube is how much? 27. Now see this. This is the triplicate ratio of the given 2 is to 3, and this is one more number, that is 21 is to 8. Now here write that. Now become, this is my A, 21 is A and 8 is B. This is my C and this is D. Is a D. Now see that. Here I will multiply that. That is what? 21 into A, C is how much? 8 is to B into D, na? Yes. B value is how much, guys? 8. D value how much? 27. Now do the simplification here. Calculation. How to do the simplify? This 8 and this 8 is goes. 3 7s are 3 9s are. So your final answer is how much? 7 is to 9, that is the answer. 7 is 9 is there? Yes, option 4. Now see guys. Yes, now see the next question. The question number next question is the inverse ratio of 1 by 8 and 1 by 5. What is the meaning of inverse? If anything you have to do the inverse, you have to write A by B. Inverse means you have to write A by B guys. Right. Similar way, if I write like this, then what happens? It's inverse of this, it goes that, otherwise you can directly write cross multiplication of this, that only that it will be its inverse. See, 1 by 8 whole by 8 is to 1 by 5 whole divided by 5, means it will goes, answer is 8 is to 5 only guys. So it will goes to the top side and it will goes the this top, so your answer is 8 is to 5. Now see the next question. The next question is subtriplicate ratio of 27. Subtriplicate means cubic root. Cubic root of 27 is to cubic root of 729. Okay, so here I can write that 27 as a 3 cube. 27 how much? 3 cube, and whole to the power of this is a 1 by 3 is to 729 is a cube root of 9, sorry, cube of 9 into whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now I can cancel these 3 and these 3. Now remaining numbers is 3 is to this is what? 9. 3 is to 9 remain. 3 ones are 3, 9, 3 threes are. So finally how much your answer? 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3 is our answer. 1 is to 3 is where? Yes, this is your answer. See the next question. The next, the duplicate ratio of this. Duplicate means guys square. Here already that root 8 is to root 4. Yes, square of this number, square, it's square, you knows that square root cancel, this square root square. So here the remaining numbers are 8 is to 4 and 4 ones are 4 twos are. So final my answer is what? 2 is to 1. Where is the option? 2 is to 1 is the answer. And the next question. The next question is, see that next question. The subduplicate ratio of what? This number. Subduplicate means under root of 1 by 25 is to under root of 1 by 49. Yes, see here under root of this 1 by 25 become as 1 by 5. How? Square root is gets cancelled. This become 1 by 5 is to this is 1 by 7. Now after doing the cross multiplication of this, then what happens? 7 9 sorry 7 5 7 is to 5 guys. That's the answer. 7 is to 5. Option 2 is the answer. The coming to the next question. See the next question. The average of 6 numbers is 20. Average is equal to, we know the formula, average is equal to sum of the numbers by, that is s by, yeah, I will use this. Average is equal to sum of the numbers by number of numbers, that is n. Sum of observation by number of observations, we know that. In this case what they are giving, average of 6 numbers means is 20. So 20 is average. They don't know that yes, and but they knows that what numbers, how many numbers, 6, yes or no. So after, if I do the simplification of this, then from here can I find the s is equal to 20 into 6, that will be become s is equal to 120. Yes or no guys, up to here clear? This is the statement number 1. See, from here, next step is, if one number is exclude, one number exclude means if you remove the one number, then the number of numbers is how much, n value become, instead of 6 it will be become 5, then average is 14 only. So in this case also they are giving the average value, average is how much, 14, that is equal to sum, they don't know that, but n value they knows that 5. Why, how 5? It one number is excluded, one number is what, excluded. Excluded means you have to remove 1 out of from 6. If we remove 1 from 6, it will be become 5. Then from here my s is equal to, from here my s is equal to, can I write 14 into 5? Yes. And next thing, 14 5s are how much guys, 70? Yes. Now here my s value how much, see here, here my s value 70, and in the previous case my s value 120. The difference of these two is how much, if you become the, if you think this is the s1 and this is the s2, 120 minus 70 is how much guys, 50. Yes or no? Yes. Now s1 minus s2 is equal to 50, that's the answer. That is the answer, that is option. Okay, so up to 16 problems we have completed. So you can take your books and try to practice more and more problems. If you have any doubts, you can text in comment box. And if you like my videos, please share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Up to that, bye bye. And so what is our channel? Smart Study. Bye bye.